So this is a 2000. This is our Altima. This is my niece's car. She busting his head. And look what we got on this motherfucker. Let's get look what we got on and take on. No, let's let's get it going. This whatever like that. But she need to start on it. So I'm gonna tell you what the car needs on. There's plenty of cars right here. If y'all see in the few, you look at how many T sites. You know what I'm saying? Sites, small auto repair. So what this bitch doing? Excuse me. About to start in a few minutes, but it's the fucking starter, but who cares? We're gonna get that fixed in there for you, so hold on. Might start up. The jam just like this. Let's keep fucking with it. And the car alright too, got a little power to it too. But the little glint around the side, got plenty of cars I will show y'all later on. I'm trying to start, but I already knew the starter fucked up and everything, but we did some shit to this car that was kind of crazy. Shit, the car going on a year. Alright, so fuck. See what we gotta do to this motherfucker. I got the tubes out. We need that much. So the fucking starter is down there somewhere. Who gives a fuck? It can easily come out. So the only thing I'm gonna do is take all this shit off. Make the easy way. Then have a jack go from the bottom, take it off. I'm gonna show you how to do that though. So bear with y'all on the free. That's an ugly ass what's called. I know you laughing, fuck it. Yeah.